I'm safe! No way.
Congratulations, you have killed 999 players.
I cannot believe it.
Behind these doors is the final 1,000th player.
I'm really, really scared. What is this?
Ezra, behind this is your final opponent. The only person standing between you and $25,000.
Okay, I'm very scared.
Are you ready to meet player 1,000?
I'm scared of who this 1,000th player is, but I'm ready.
One of the best PvPers in the entire game